And we'll head out over towards the spillway and then back into town. There's a guy, I got to listen to see if he's doing touch and goes on 1-5.
We could buy that from Steve, build something.
124.62.
Takes a lot of upkeep.
Build a new house with a swimming pool. Raise some chickens.
I don't know about chickens.
I just read an article about this girl down Austin Way that raises chickens and sells them exclusively to some nice restaurant in Austin and San Antonio.
Yeah?
And her eggs. Chickens and eggs.
So she has one retailer she sells to?
Two restaurants. Two nice restaurants.
Okay, the traffic, 6102, 10 miles to the southwest. Come over Midfield, 2,500, and left down there for 17.
Where's that airplane?
He's landing. He reported that he was landing. So he's probably on the runway or taxiing. You can see it off there at about 2 o'clock, but it's hard to... The best thing is look above the airport to the horizon for traffic. Scott's house is going to be the green roof with the white, the white sides. The lake looks pretty calm. Temperature up here is 80.
Not so bad.
What?
That's not so bad.
We're at 2,000.
Traffic, Douglas 745, be rolling up on the active 15.
I didn't hear that.
Okay, I'm going to stay west of the lake for a minute.
Sounds like there's a couple of them.
Well, I heard McGregor. They all use 1228.
Yeah, but they called runway 15. Are
Yeah,
we the
that
only
was
ones
Cleburne.
with run 5?
That was Cleburne or Scott's. Keep your eyes over the field.
Zero traffic, Bonanza 100, Tango X-ray, 5 miles northeast, going to be left base 14, speed zone.
You want to announce where you are so they'll know you're out here?
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We're about 4 southwest over west side Lake Pat, Cleburne traffic. Lake is real calm.
Oh.
Yeah, there's a plane. Look at the threshold markings, which are 1,000 feet down the runway.
Trying to find the airport.
Well, I don't know if he's on the go. I think he's landed. No, he's on departure.
You see something?
Yeah. He's passing the ramp that goes to the fuel farm.
Oh, I see him.
Yeah, he's up. He's climbing.
You better tell him where you are.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor at 2,300 west of Lake Pat, Cleburne, maneuvering Cleburne. That's the DC-3.
Oh, that's the big one, yeah. Sure does look slow. Lost him.
Oh, he's right over the green patch behind the hotels. Jim Terry.
Yeah.
Bill Mason.
We got the traffic, Skyhawk 66103, now 5 miles south of the field, entering extended downwind for 17. We got the traffic.
Did he really answer answer you?
Evo traffic, 0 Tango X-ray, final 14 Steveville.
Yeah, he's real busy though. Got 2 big radial engines got to manage. You see him turning out our way?
No, I don't even see him.
He's over the lake. See where the big cloud shadow is? You look straight above it. He's actually southwest heading. I'm going to turn. He's up in the green, up in the trees, about 2 inches above the lake.
I do see a dot.
No, he's right above.
Do you see him in the water?
No, he's above the lake, about an inch now. He's headed down towards the...
I see a big plane.
That's it. That's Jim Terry. That's the DC-3. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We're going to transition Cleburne at 2,500 to west to east. Cleburne. Now, do you see him? He is probably super loaded with fuel. So he's going to climb pretty slowly.
I don't know, but we need to be looking for it right in front of us.
We are. The big polished aluminum airplane's taxiing out.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah, we're right over the field.
Watch what you're doing.
Hi. They were at 2,400. Try to locate yourself. The best thing is look for the courts building. Look for the field behind Fulton.
Watch for airplanes.
And I'll watch for airplanes.
I don't see that.
Traffic's down, 5103, turn final 17. Good job.
Gregor?
They have a huge lot.
Yeah.
It's huge. Like a double lot.
There's a guy I know taxied out. He hasn't reported yet. I'm going to go ahead and cross over above pattern altitude to the west. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, about 4 to the southeast, transitioning east to west at 2,000 feet. Cleburne. Yeah, he's just now at the end at the threshold. He's not on the active yet. He's doing his run up. We'll just listen.
180, contact wake approach 127.65.
How did we miss that?
That's why I'm above pattern altitude.
I never heard him.
He didn't report. I was reporting. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, 2,200 southwest of the field. We'll report a right downwind for 15, full stop, Cleburne.
How'd you see that?
I was scanning for airplanes. My job.
Well, sometimes you get sidetracked looking at what I'm looking at.
You got a good look at an airplane today. Okay, we're looking for the airplane on the go.
He was really close to us.
No, he's 1,000 feet below. Okay, keep your scan up really good right now. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor on a right downwind for 15, full stop, Cleburne.
You see him better than I do.
There's
Oh, there he goes. I
that's
see
the
him.
DC-3.
Yeah.
I'm at pattern altitude. Now check the horizon, because this is pattern altitude, and there he is.
How come he didn't announce?
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor on a right downwind for 15, full stop, Cleburne.
Rockwall traffic, Cherokee 281 Golf, left downwind for 17 Rockwall.
Okay, we're beam the threshold, RP, power, flaps.
Five, 8, Zulu, weather, wind 110 at 6, visibility missing. Sky condition, few clouds at 100, 4,600 scattered. Ceiling 7,000 broken. Temperature 3 Celsius, 2.22 Celsius. Altimeter 3001. Remarks, density altitude 3,000.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, turning right base for 15, full stop, Cleburne. Even the birds are looking for us.
Can we not find out who that was?
I'm sure we could.
He was flying right towards us.
What I need to do is file a ACERS, the NASA reporting form, which I will do. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, turning final for 15, full stop, Cleburne.
What if the other people aren't following the rules like that?
That's why you keep a good scan. I'm telling you, that's flying. Welcome to
How
flying.
can you find out who that was?
Don't know. I can see who bought fuel, I guess. Okay, our sight picture's good. We got 4 lights. Oh, Jim heard me because he answered
Were
me.
they buying fuel? That one that almost hit us?
At $4.50 a gallon, everybody's buying fuel. Yeah. That one was not anywhere close to us. Our separation was probably 500 feet
It didn't look like it.
and about 500 feet laterally.
No, it didn't look like it.
Okay, let me land the airplane. Got 2 white, 2 red. Good sight picture. Our speed's good.
We should get gas while we're out.
Full power. You want to?
I'll just do it while we're raining hot.
McGregor, traffic, Seneca 55051, about 7 in the northeast, be entering the left base for runway 17, McGregor.
Open the window. Turn on the air conditioning.
Never thought hot air could feel so good.